There you go. Thank you.
Check me when you get on your feet.
Most important.
Not like them by all remain.
Passengers returning to the cabin with a gray bag to collect them. Please do.
So I recently took a trip back to San Francisco just for a weekend getaway. I just wanted to sit down and just share with you guys a little bit about how that went. So the first day after I landed, I hit up one of the first friends that I had actually ever made in college, Landon. I hadn't actually even seen this guy since I moved from California to Seattle, so overall it was just a good time to kick it. He showed me his home, beautiful space. Afterwards we just did some shopping around some shops that I've been wanting to go to. Overall it was just a good time.
Come up here. Come up here. Yeah, that's sick.
That's a thick boy, my man.
How was like your? It was good, right?
That's good.
I only know about this because the YouTuber I was talking about, Keezy, like he goes here.
Yeah. Capital jacket.
It's Capital.
That's pretty dope.
I don't know how Capital sizing works though.
Yeah, I don't know.
Wait, I'm a maybe on this.
Do I know what were you saying?
The Capital Boro jacket.
Yeah,
The meme jacket.
The fleece.
No, not the fleece. The one that's like the denim like repair jacket essentially. Like the whole thing is repairs.
Oh yeah,
See
yeah,
it?
yeah. It's all
The
packaged.
$2,000 one.
Yeah. No, I mean that one's crazy.
That's a grail for me. Oh, I got a rude hat. They're kind of tripping on this though. Ooh. That is sick. Dude, I'm in a candy store right now.
Oh, but damn.
Oh, check that out.
There you go. This one is $2.50.
It's fair. This looks like it's never been worn.
Yeah, it's so crispy.
It's way too tight. I want it though. Like all of these this texture. I like this. That too.
Yeah, it's cool when it's like not like.
Everyone wearing it.
Yeah, yeah.
Dude, shove your foot into that. Oh, what? What? 9.5?
They fit? No, not at all. But for the price that they're asking, I kind of just want to have them.
How much are they asking?
2.
This is it. They're super long. This is it.
How many cuffs do you got?
This is literally 4 cuffs. So like if I wanted to have it, yeah, it's definitely donut cuff right now.
I mean, I do that though, because I'm just short boy. How much was this in the end?
48. It's a cool Japanese kind of like, it's workwear. It's kind of like a cool fusion. They do a lot of like interesting things. This is just like a weird fuzzy pouch that I can use as a camera bag.
Yeah, sure, man. Cool.
So the primary reason why I flew back to California for just a weekend was to see my circle of college friends. Including Landon, I got the chance to see other friends that I actually lived on the same block with. And we've all gone our own ways since graduating. We're all scattered throughout the West Coast, mainly California. I'm like the only one up in Seattle, but ever since we graduated, some of us went back to the Bay, Southern California, but we make a chance to see each other when the opportunity arises. And the plan started with a white elephant, but on top of that, we just had a lot of city adventures, whether it was seeing some Christmas lights or just eating good food. It was all just a good time.
This tree is amazing!
So the main event, the gift exchange. The main reason that we first agreed to all come back. Maybe for me it was the main reason, I don't know. For those of you that don't know what a white elephant is when everyone brings a gift to the gift exchange, throws it in the middle, and everyone gets a chance to either take from the pile or take something that someone else has already taken. And there's a series of rules to prevent, gifts being passed around to too many owners. Things get locked after a certain number of times it's been stolen. And the emphasis of it for us this time was to bring useful gifts. I don't like clutter, so I made sure that everything that people brought had some utility to it. So I brought Pokemon Diamond, the new one on the Switch, with a gift receipt in case it didn't work out. And I mean, I'll just show you. I'll run the footage of what I left with.
What will it be?
I was gonna go into like the kids' toy section, get a Barbie, maybe some windshield wiper fluid. Always get a small gift and then wrap it in the shape of a penis, but then just have the gift like really small inside. Wouldn't that be kind of funny though? Shape the wrapping paper like it, and then have the gift like just very small in it. Fairy corn surprise. Oh shoot, it's got wings. Oh, it's real fairy wings you can wear.
Wait, it's multiple gifts, I think.
I was trying to see if I could wrap it in the shape of a penis. That's a big ball.
Oh, you can wrap that for sure.
Oh, gotta go. Oh, gotta go.
this a thing? Why is this a thing?
All right. Say less.
You wanna wear the eternal
Wait, you
on
can't
your
even see
crotch.
their faces.
I don't know if you want to see their faces on their crotch.
Whoa.
They're coming in out the gates, guys. On your left.
Well,
On your left nut. Hey, these actually are pretty well
Wait,
made.
this is like a decent print.
Yeah, like I would use this as like a face towel or something. Okay. But not the underwear, just like if the cloth was there.
Oh, I gotta be like this.
I really wanted to. Wait. What? I really wanted to go, and I asked my boss.
If you guess me and his
You want to do it?
Hi.
It's your obligation. This one.
Why does it look like my beignet bag?
I can see a little bit of McDonald's bag.
That's not McDonald's.
Wait, that's almost $10.
That's cheating. Wow. Yo.
I can share this. It's I wrote that.
Wait, why does it look like it's open?
It is open. It's half empty. Oh, and vitamin D.
Oh my god.
Wait, are these for the animals?
This one has even less pills.
Wait, no, look at the bottom of the pill.
Oh, okay.
I need all that stuff back.
Oh my. Wait, you need the money back or you need
No,
the
I
pills
need
back?
the pills back.
Wait, we can't.
And then you can pour it in. It's like because you don't have a brew coffee.
Feeling that, Danica. You better watch out.
What is that? Yo!
I feel like that's a good one for Danica.
Wait, Danica, you said
Well, I didn't bring
1,
that.
2, 3. I don't know.
Oh, it is chocolate.
Oh, it is. Oh. What the hell? Wait, this is so expensive.
It was in the budget.
I got some, I don't know what this is. I don't know what it is.
It's all abalone.
Oh, it's abalone?
Is it only abalone?
I don't know what it is.
It's another phone soul.
What are the chances?
Overall, I was just, very happy to spend some time back in the Bay with everyone. Seeing my parents, seeing friends, that's what it's all about. So, thank you for tuning into this one. I'll see you all next time. Peace!